What is up, Team Boosted? We are back from a short break, and today we are putting back together the 911 Turbo. Freshly painted. We have not buffed it. We might do a little bit of that, but we're probably gonna have a hard time finding all of the hardware because we're not organized and we scattered shit pretty much throughout the entire garage.
We were really excited to paint it, so we kind of just like threw stuff in bags and threw the bags on the side, but we'll find it.
Good news, clear coat, nice and hard, good to go. It's been a few days, so we're not gonna wreck anything putting this back together. Once it's outside, we'll clean it. It's got dust all over it, including the engine. It's got dust all over it. Everything in our garage, it's dust all over it. So yeah, we don't want to do this because it sucks and it's boring, but
and it's Sunday and it's after St. Patrick's Day and we had a long week, but
yeah,
we're really excited to get it all together.
Yeah, and then we can put plates on it and drive it. So
yeah.
Okay, so I think what the plan with this video is to kind of do like a big montage, because it's been taking like all day, every day, because we have to keep running out. I had to go get more sandpaper. While I'm at it, I'm gonna grab another keg because we're out. I think I need to secure this a little bit more, so maybe something with the seat belt, because this is gonna be rolling around. Safety first. And while I'm on the ride, I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit more about what we got planned for this big 10,000 subscriber that we're working so hard for video. It's difficult to say that the project's coming to an end, because it really isn't, because you know, projects are never really done, but we've been working on it for 18 months, and after tomorrow when the glass is installed, this is going to be the most complete it's ever been since we got it. In the last 18 months, we tore down the engine, split the case, even though we were reluctant to do so. Completely changed the ignition system, turbocharged it, you know, a full rebuild, everything. And then, you know, we just sanded it down and painted the whole thing up, the factory colors, and then it's going to be, like I just said, the most complete that's ever been. It's a pretty exciting moment for us, and we're going to be getting it registered soon. It's interesting how this is all timing out, because this video could get us 10,000 subs. That'd be awesome, and then we could drop the 10,000 sub feature video that we have planned. We could drop that as our next video. That would be great. If not, there's plenty more stuff we can do. Like I said, the car's getting wrapped, the Datsun's being put back together, the Porsche's going on the dyno, the Datsun's going on the dyno. We'd actually like to get them both on the dyno at the same time. I don't want to drag this out. I just wanted to let you guys know that we do have an interesting video, a very cool video going out for the 10,000 sub special. In addition to that, we've bought Teamboosted.com, the domain name, and we'll build a website off of that and add some merch. Just because we know how to do that. Like 10,000 is not a huge number, but we have an online store already, and it's pretty simple for us to do. So as soon as we hit 10K, look out for Teamboosted.com and a pretty awesome video. Cool things coming in the future. Thank you guys for watching so far. I'm really excited to see what the Porsche is going to look like all put together. Okay, so it's almost done. We're not going to show you guys until the next video. We'll do a full review because there's little bits and pieces that aren't done, like just like lights and things like that. But we have a pretty cool video plan. I think I've told you guys that like 5,000 times. Yeah, we're going to wrap it up. We're going to grab a beer. This was a tough week for us because we had a guest in the house, an old friend from Massachusetts.
Yeah. And you guys totally killed it on that sale. Thanks for all the support. We have a lot of work to do for that. We should be getting all the orders out tomorrow, but there was a lot. Thank you guys.
And if you notice right now, it is 6:30 and it's not dark yet. So this is a pivotal point for us. We can start making videos later.
Yeah, we don't get cut off at 4 o'clock.
We don't have any guests or crazy things planned for April, so we'll be back to regular uploads. Thank you for your patience. What, we take like a week off? Yeah, that's not bad. So we're gonna wrap this one up. Oh, first, dude, we got that new keg.
Yeah.
Oh, that was flawless, Devin. Or is it not on?
It's on now.
Ooh, good job. So we may or may not have cleaned this really well the first time. No, that doesn't look too bad, Devin.
No, it was the lower line that was really gross.
And maybe there's a big chunk of mold in there, but you just don't know it.
Extra fermentation.
You gonna drink that foam, bro?
Just to think about it.
A little bit of a head there.
So a little bit. It's fire, as always.
You got so much foam in your beard. Thank you, sir. Alright guys, that is going to wrap this one up. That was a lot more work than it looked like it was. It was way easier to take it apart.
Yeah, it's super easy to tear things off, but when you get a nice fresh paint job and you're putting everything back together and you didn't take track of any of the hardware, it makes it a little bit tougher.
Yeah, what Devin's saying is we're absolute idiots and we just let all the hardware fall all over the floor, and then it probably got thrown away because we couldn't find any of that. So several trips to the hardware store made this job that should have taken all day, but not 3 days. There's a lot that we didn't film, but it's coming together, and I'm looking at it right now, and you guys don't get to see it yet because we're waiting to reveal the car in the next video. So Devin's gonna wrap this one up. Did you want to say something about how tasty it looks?
Yeah, I did. Looks pretty tasty.
Yeah, it's good. It's pretty good.
It's freaking awesome. I can't wait to show you guys. I think what you were getting at was I was gonna pick a winner.
Yeah.
You kind of just said I was going to wrap it up.
The Datsun just looks like crap.
Yep.
Oh, man. But we're going to fix that, too.
Alright, this video's winner is Casel70 Abel.
Okay, hit us up at Teamboosted at boostedtrades.com or through any of our social media pages, and we will get back to you and ship you your prize. If you guys want to win, if you're new here, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. It's also super chill if you guys share the video. At the time of filming this, I believe we are around 60 subs away from 10,000. Super dope shit coming at 10,000, so help us get there. It's gonna be awesome. Sometimes we ask you guys things, like mostly all the time.
I'm not gonna be able to.
I got a question.
Alright.
What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say I'm not gonna be able to think of anything staring at this car.
Oh yeah, it's pretty good.
But
I'm looking at both, and that's what led to the question.
Oh, alright.
We had originally planned to dyno the car separately, but what if we did them at the same time, and based off the tunes that they have now, which one would you think makes more power? They're both very rough tuned. I have no idea how much horsepower either of them make. They both feel quick, but so if you want to guess which one do you think would make more power, you can leave that in the comments. Subscribe, like, and share, and you're eligible to win. You don't have to share to be eligible, but you gotta do the other stuff.
But please share, because it helps us a whole lot.
Yeah, it'd be chill.
And everybody wants to see the shit.
It'd be sick.
Alright, as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.